guys, welcome back. So I took a risk and I bought something off of Instagram. I saw a little ad, and I usually never buy anything off of Instagram because it can be a little sketchy, and I usually only go to Amazon because I can track the package and you know. But I took a risk and was like, I'm just gonna try it. It was during quarantine and I had nothing to do. So I bought it. I bought this electric 360 toothbrush.
Caught in an action, I can't rewind on. And in my head, I'm screaming, but out of my mind, I'm still too young to feel this way.
At first, I was kind of nervous and I thought they ripped me off because it took like 3 months to get here. So it was like kind of a little surprise, like a gift to myself, because I forgot that it was coming and I didn't know if it was ever going to come. But it came, so I thought I would share this experience with you and see if it really works and how well it works if it does. I literally haven't even opened it. I've been saving it to open with you guys. Yeah, but I really thought it was like a scam at first, and because they were really quick to take my money. They were not quick to send me the product. So supposedly it is much better and more efficient way for cleaning, but you know, we'll see. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, it has a little charger. Comes in this. All right. Okay. So fancy. It's quite the contraption. Okay, so here it is. Supposedly it cleans your teeth and whitens it at the same time. I got it in black. There was a few different colors like pink, blue, and black and white, I think. And I got black just because I was trying to decide between black and white, but I didn't want it to get dirty really fast or look dirty if I got the white one, so I got the black one. Here is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I just turned it on, so this is the power button. Oh, there's 3 different modes, I guess. Okay. I thought this came with toothpaste now. Let's see what's underneath. Oh. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is the charger, I think. So you put this in it. I'm not quite sure how you charge this thing, but... Oh, right here. Okay. I figured it out. Okay, so this is the port. You plug it in with that cord, and then it sits on top of here like that. So that's kind of cool because then it can sit on my kitchen sink. On my kitchen sink. On my bathroom sink, so that I can just grab it and go. Okay, I thought that it came with toothpaste, but I guess maybe that's separate. One charge is sustainable for more than 1 week. So there's 4 different modes: strong toothbrushing, comfortable toothbrushing, high frequency massage, and teeth whitening. So that's the blue light part. Those are the different colors. You can't get the toothpaste that comes with it. I thought it came with it, but I guess it doesn't. It did say that you could use your regular toothpaste anyways, which I kind of wanted to do regardless because I was not going to spend an absurd amount of money on toothpaste and I probably wouldn't like the taste. But okay, I'm gonna go wash this and then let's head to the bathroom and see how this goes. Okay, so I just washed it. It was kind of weird to wash, but I got it all in there. So I'm just gonna put some of my toothpaste on. This is the toothpaste I use in case you were curious. I love this one. I don't really know how much to put in because I don't really like to use a lot of toothpaste. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit on the top, a little bit on the bottom. I have no idea if I'm doing this right. Okay, like I said, they recommend you use the gel, but obviously they just want you to keep buying more products. All right, let's try it. Okay, so I don't really know if this worked or not, but my lips are like tingling still because of the vibrations. I guess I would recommend getting the gel then, or a type of gel, because my toothpaste didn't really get in there as much as I thought it would. The other thing I could think of is like putting the toothpaste on my teeth and then putting it on. I don't know, or maybe I just didn't put it down in further enough, but they kind of just stayed in like globs on here. I'm gonna rinse it off now. Okay, I rinsed it out, and it does help that my toothpaste is blue because then I can clean it better. But I don't know, I kind of feel like trying to get the gel, it might be better just for it to fill in the cavity more, like I said, and then put it in. But if anything, I would use this for the whitening feature because I've seen these and I think they really do work. The other thing I use to whiten my teeth is the activated charcoal, which I think really works, but this might work too. I don't know if you have to have the gel for it or not. I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. Can you see the bristles in there? So that's what it looks like up close. I don't know, do my teeth look clean? Okay, I figured I'd try it again. Supposedly it cleans your teeth in 30 seconds, but I feel like with this I use way more toothpaste than I usually would. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 globs to like evenly spread it out, whereas usually I only use 1. So I don't know. Let's try this again. Ugh. Ugh, I don't think this one was worth my money. See, like, you can still see the like globs of toothpaste in there that didn't even move. So I don't know if it's because like I said, I didn't get the gel, but it just like sticks the toothpaste in my mouth and then like, that's it. And it doesn't really like brush, it's just vibrating because this part right here is the piece that vibrates. I don't know if you can see the little metal part, but it doesn't like swoosh it around, but I was hopeful. I don't think this would work. I would definitely not brush my teeth with this as my sole toothbrush because I would definitely get cavities and like, I don't know. And the site said that there was kids using this, so I don't know. I feel like those kids are gonna have a lot of cavities when they get older. So I don't think I'd recommend this. I'm kind of disappointed because it kind of would have been cool to like, you know, go in the bathroom and use my little 360 brush, but no, I don't know. Maybe I would just use it for the whitening, but I don't even know if that works without the gel, so I'm kind of disappointed. It kind of is like not hard to wash, but you have to like really get in there because it's like between the bristles. Like I said, it's a lot easier to see just because my toothpaste is blue, but I don't know, I'm so disappointed. Also definitely don't see how it would clean the back teeth very efficiently, and so like if anything my front teeth feel clean, but that's just because I stuck it in toothpaste and then pulled it out. Okay, so overall kind of a fail. I was really hopeful, and I guess the moral is don't buy stuff off of Instagram, but I saw one other person got one off of Amazon, I think, and it was the same thing. I'm so bummed. It would have been so cool because the concept is really interesting, but whatever. The one thing I bought off of Instagram was a fail. Also, I forgot to mention that I paid about $40 for it, so I don't think it's worth $40. And like I said, you're using significantly more toothpaste than I usually would unless I got the gel, but same thing, I'd be going through the gel like crazy too. So all in all, sticking to my regular toothbrush. This is my toothbrush, by the way. I have the Oral-B Braun one. I don't think they sell this exact one anymore, but it's an electric toothbrush, so I like that one. But I hope this was informative for the people who are thinking about buying one. Probably save your money and don't buy one, but it's cool. It's interesting to try. I don't know how I feel about like the vibrating, just like my lips all tingly and stuff, and like, you know, your vision kind of moves a little bit. I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!